In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to open a Chase bank account online from start to finish. If you're planning to join Chase, you can begin by visiting their official website. Once you're there, look for the option that says Open an Account and select it to get started. For new checking customers, there's often a bonus offer available. Typically, you may qualify by opening a Chase Total checking account and receiving direct deposits of at least $500 within the first 90 days after activating a coupon. You can either apply the coupon code online or request one by email and use it at a branch. Now let's go through the application process. First, you'll be asked whether you already have an account with Chase or if you're a new customer. After that, enter your full name, including any middle name or suffix if applicable, then move on to the next step. Next, provide your date of birth, followed by your email address and phone number. Once that's done, you'll need to enter your residential address. After that, fill in your citizenship details and type in your social security number where required. To complete the verification process, you'll be asked to submit identification details. This includes choosing your ID type, entering the ID number, and selecting the issuing state or country. Once everything is filled in correctly, proceed to the final step and submit your application. That's it, you've successfully applied for a Chase bank account online. If you're interested in any available offers, check the links in the description to get started.